how to change account location in Roblox. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location in Roblox if it's showing the wrong country or region. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Roblox website. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and then select Settings. Now scroll down until you see your account location. In some cases, you can simply click the drop-down arrow and manually select your correct location. But if you don't see the option to change it, here's what you need to do. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click on Help. Next, go to Roblox account. And in the search bar, type Location. From the suggestions, click Account Location. Now scroll down again and click on the link that takes you to the support form. You'll need to fill out your username, first name, and email address. Make sure these match the details on your Roblox account. Under Device, choose the one you're using. I'll select PC. For Help category, click How To, and in the next drop-down, choose How to change my location. In the description box, write something like, "Hi, my account location is showing as whatever the location is, but my actual location is your correct country. I can provide documentation if needed. Why is this showing incorrectly?" Once you're done, press Continue, solve the verification puzzle, and then hit Submit. Now just wait a few business days. Roblox support will get back to you. They may ask for proof of address like a utility bill, government letter, or driver's license. And that's it. If this video helped, feel free to leave a like and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.